Welcome back to Shred with Ed. I'm Ed. Today we're out at round 8 at Mountain Creek's Thursday Night Race League, and we got our Enduro back. Well, it's not the same Enduro, but it's a warranty frame, so let's check it out. It's still the same build, just got this new navy blue color. Not really sure how I feel about it, but hey, we're here, so let's go shred. Alright, so we're on our way up. First run of the day. We got about an hour or so until sign-ups start, so I'm gonna go try to find the race course, maybe get it a few practice runs, but I think first I gotta do a couple play runs. I mean, it's the same bike, it really is the same big brakes, suspension, cranks. I got my flats on just to be comfortable, but I might change over to clips later depending on how flat the course is. But I just want to shake it down, make sure all the settings are correct for me, and you know, we'll see how she does. Miss having a big bike here, and I know they've been grooming a lot of the trails, so hopefully I'll be a little bit faster today. So they added to the trail, which is good, I guess. Makes it a little more fair. Good job. Okay, so we're headed up for our first run. I didn't really get a lot of practice runs in today. It was a super flat trail. Kind of got carried away just making some adjustments to the bike and, you know, new bike stuff. So we're gonna go up, get our first run in. Not really expecting much. It's a really flat trail, so it's actually probably gonna be a pretty tight day of racing, just because it's gonna come down to whoever's pedaling and scrubbing jumps the hardest. So we'll see how we do.
The last 5 days I haven't been here. Go, 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 go!
Fucking hell, dude. Alright, so first run is out of the way. I think I did okay. You know, it's just a really pedally trail. I think I kind of want to go put my clips on so I can pedal even more, but I don't think I have enough time. We only really get an hour, so that's probably not going to be enough to go put them on and come back. I should have just switched to begin with, but it's okay. I have to get better at sprinting anyway, so that's some work I could do off the bike as well. It's just a matter of me disciplining myself to put the time in. So here's a tech trail. It's not really a tech trail, it's just got a couple really big features that I want to get over. Well, only one. This is something I've done before. Oh, these are all messed up. was fun. Lots of fun. This little steep roll in for that. This trail's called Frog Pond. I don't think I've ever been down this before. Oh yes, I have. We came in this way for one of the race league trails. Woo! Holy erosion. Rain is not a friend to this place. That was a big rock. All right. All right, first run's out of the way. I don't think I did that great, honestly. I probably should have clipped in, but I didn't, because I wanted to just have a day to get comfortable on the bike. But you know, I haven't had a chance to even see how I did, but I didn't feel that fast. So we're gonna go up for our second run, and I just gotta hammer and pedal as hard as I possibly can, and we'll see what happens.
Let's go, Ed. Get it.
All right, so racing's done. I felt okay in my second run, but I don't know. I really don't know how I did. I'd like to see myself in the top 10 or at least mid-pack. Like I said, racing was probably super tight just because there wasn't a lot of line selection, so this wasn't one of those race runs where you get creative. Everyone kind of does the same thing. But I think before I pack it in, I want to try to get some other tech trails in and maybe go try that trail that I crashed on the other week, get some redemption for myself. So let's head back up and do it again. I'm gonna look at it again. Make sure that rock isn't there.
Watch me do it?
Yeah.
All right.
It's over here to the left.
To the left?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Whoa!
Fuck. I just don't want to crash again, that's all.
Go, go, go. That's it.
All right, guys, so we are done. I finished 13th, which is mid-pack. It's not terrible, but I'm really not that excited about it. I want to see myself get some better results. On a trail like that, I think I should probably work on sprint speed more, so that's something I could probably do off the bike. Do some more work in the gym and sort it out from there. But other than that, I think I did all right. Even I feel like I got a lot faster in my corners, so I'm happy about that. I didn't really break much, and on the bright side, I got over a trail that I got pretty banged up on last week. I'm actually still sporting some bruises from that crash, but I'm glad that my friends helped me, you know, get down that trail and get the monkey off my back for that one. So we're gonna keep riding more tech here too, and try to get better. You know, as the season rolls on, the flow trails here get pretty beat up, so it just makes more sense to keep trying tech, and it'll work out better for us at the end of the day with the enduro racing. So thanks guys, take care, I'll see you next week.